Um, yes, I started with greeting everyone, saying hello, and my name is Portia. My name is Muhube Portia Diketani, and traditionally when they praise me, they call me Muhube Nabiajan. I come from Limpopo, Jeffers, Supercontinent, at Hamashabeka. I'm now staying in Mamelodi with my parents. I came here for education and for work. I'm currently working for Kwameta. I'm happy to be here today, to be with everyone, to learn about everyone's cultures, the different cultures, and to see everyone in their beautiful cultural colors. We are here today, and we should learn more about our cultures so that we can look back and say, this is what my culture instigated, this is what we do, this is what the vendors do, this is what the Xhosas do, and this is what the other cultures do in their cultures. I think.